He was sitting when all of a sudden the book slipped from his hand. His body tilted to one side. Trying to shake him awake in panic didn't help. At that moment, what he needed was emergency medical help. Lakshman ji had suffered a brain stroke. Today's topic: first aid for brain stroke. A brain stroke occurs when there is a blockage in an artery supplying blood to the brain, or when an artery ruptures and causes bleeding in the brain. The blockage can be a result of a blood clot. A part of the brain can be damaged as a result of stroke. The function controlled by the damaged part will stop working. Let's look at the symptoms of brain stroke. Partial paralysis of the body, like when a hand or leg stops working. Person's inability to speak. One eye's vision becomes blurry, or the person loses vision in one eye. A sudden severe headache without any reason. Dizziness, stumbling, or the person suddenly collapsing, again without any reason. Brain stroke is a very serious condition. Recognizing its symptoms and giving the correct first aid is made easier by the acronym FAST. F-A-S-T. F for face, facial drooping.
Papa, smile. Smile karna. Smile.
Ask the patient to smile. On trying to smile, the face may droop on one side. A for arms. Raise your arms. Raise your arms. Ask the patient to raise both arms. Raising the arms is difficult, or one arm can't be raised as high as the other. Weakness in the arms is also sign of a stroke. S for speech. Papa, tell me your name.
Captain Lakshman Thapa bataiye.
Say a simple sentence and ask the patient to repeat it. Speech is unclear, or you may not understand what he is speaking. T for time to act fast. It means time is critical and immediate help is needed. If you notice any of the above symptoms, arrange to take the person to the hospital immediately. Every second counts after a brain stroke. If the patient gets proper treatment within the first hour, there is a chance to save the affected part of the brain. If the patient reaches the hospital after 3 hours, the treatment may be less effective. Let's look at how to provide first aid to a brain stroke victim. If you suspect a brain stroke, first arrange for an ambulance. Call 108 or 112 immediately to get an ambulance. Give clear information and mention that the patient has had a brain stroke. If possible, take the patient yourself without wasting time to a big hospital, one that has CT scan and MRI facilities. Taking the patient to a small nursing home or doctor's clinic will be a waste of time. If the victim is conscious, give first aid like this. Place them in a comfortable position. Support their head and shoulders with a pillow. Loosen their clothes if they are tight. Ensure the victim is breathing properly. Do not give them anything to eat or drink. After a stroke, the victim may sometimes be unable to swallow. Note the time when the symptoms of stroke begin. If the victim is unconscious and not breathing properly, then place them in the recovery position. Clean any saliva or vomit around the mouth. If the victim is not breathing or has no pulse, then give CPR. Remember FAST, fast, because you could save someone's life. Learn first aid. Stay alert.